Hello mates. So today I'm gonna talk about a great website in which you can watch videos and earn your most magnificent, beneficent money. What will you have to do? I'm gonna tell you every steps, and before starting the video please subscribe my channel and click on the mighty bell button. Alright mates, why will you work on this website? You can earn easily $100 within 5 to 6 hours a day. So that's actually quite brilliant idea to earn, because that's what we call passive income. You are gonna earn money while you are out from home or on a vacation. The website is mypoint.com. Now you can pick all these features, all these options, and to get the money. So number one process is to just sign in or join here. Simply click the button. Now you can see rewards for all the things you already do online. So you have to put your email here and then password here and then click continue. That's all. That's the only way to earn money on this website. So the best idea is to pick one which is bigger in points, because at last points are source of our money. Number two is how will you do it, and I'm gonna show how to do it. When you click on an item, simply they're gonna give a list of just like it. See, now I click this button to watch the videos. Okay, watch and earn points. Choose category as seen in Vogue. 30 videos, 1 hour 1 minute. Watch 30 more videos to earn 6 points. So 6 point is so great, so big, and all you have to do is just click one by one of them and watch them. If you don't watch these videos, you are not gonna get the point. So the point is what you need. So mates, I suggest you to please just watch this video. These are not so long, and you can see that some of them are 2.2 minutes, 2.52 minutes, 1.27 minutes. So I think that's great. So please don't worry about your time, because you are going to invest your time on money. Okay, so in this website you can see that you can download score, and you can also earn money by watching videos up to 500 points daily, and take surveys on points, discover deals on points, and crave, explore and crave, buy e-gift cards on points. You can also play games. You know what, playing games is so fun, so great, and while you playing you can also earn money by playing games. Okay, up to 8 points coupons, print and earn 10 points. So what are its featured offers? Now you can see all of its featured offers. If you click on this button, see more, you can see this, all the options, all the features. You know what, we watch videos daily, we go to website and we do whatever we want to do, but what happens when you earn money by just watching videos or playing games or taking service or collecting coupons? Okay, so how this website works, let me show you. So earn points, shop online, take surveys, watch videos, read email, more to earn points. So these are the ways to earn. And number two is get free gift cards. Redeem your points to gift cards, travel miles, or cash via PayPal. Shop online. Shop over 1,900 popular retailers through My Points and earn points for your purchases. get score, get alerts, plus coupons for my points partners with our extension so you don't miss out on shopping points. Local deals on points per dollar for your Groupon and living social goods and voucher purchases. Share your opinion. So answer market research surveys and earn up to 400 points. Watch videos, complete playlists to earn up to 500 points per day while being entertained. Discover content and crave activities allow you to earn points while introducing you to relevant sites and videos. Find deals. Explore a variety of offers totaling over. Search the web. So you know what, searching the web is cool. So when you are searching the websites and you get the money, and the most important and amazing thing is you are gonna get the money by searching the website. So what are you gonna do is get Yahoo search results and the chance to win up to 170 points randomly. Print coupons, and you can print coupons and get your points, and then you the mighty money. Save money on groceries and points for printing, redeeming manufacturer coupons. And the last, most easiest, most amazing, most greatest way is to earn money is playing games. Earn up to 8 points per dollar playing popular games like Bejeweled 2 or Solitaire Rush or Asphalt 8, like this. So guys, I'm gonna tell you, and I told you that that's the only way to earn money, and that's passive income. Now I told you how to income, but how will you cash out the money? So if you want to cash out the money, all you have to do is just go to the redeem points option, tap on it, and then a new website will come, new tab will come, and then all you have to do is just click on this search rewards and then type PayPal, because PayPal is the only way to cash out the money without any kind of hesitation, because PayPal is so trusting, so great online bank or transaction bank. So starting from 390 points. So guys, the important thing is you have to get the 3,970 points to get $25 and 7,940 points to get 50 points, $50. And if you get the 15,870 points, and you can get $100. I think that's so amazing. Okay, and how you're gonna do is just put money into your PayPal account and use at millions of online stores. So I think it would be great if you read the terms and conditions. Your PayPal account must be verified with the same email address as your My Points account and have the same first and last name. If you already have a PayPal account with a different email address, you can add the email address associated with the My Point account to your existing PayPal account. So please note, please allow up to 5 business days for the transfer to complete. You will receive notification via email from PayPal once the money has been sent to your PayPal account. So mates, so that's the only way to get the money. You have to get the 3,970 points to get $25, and then 7,940 points to get the $50, and then 15,870 points to get the $100. Okay, that's how we earn money. So my friends and my mates and my brothers and my sisters, I gave you the idea to get good amount of money and most trustworthy website. So I think that's totally your matter, how and when and why will you earn. So I'll come up new videos every day. If you want to watch more earning website, just watch videos and get new tricks and tips. Subscribe and like my channel, please. Thank you.